It's been a storm alert weather day tonight and into tomorrow. We are keeping you aware of everything as far as the weather goes. Paul Barys and Allison Pryor in the Storm Alert Center. The truck called Thunder is out on the road getting a look at conditions. Right now, flooding is the main threat here in the Chattanooga area. But in the early morning, there's a possibility for tornadoes, Paul?
It's not impossible, but the odds are going down on it pretty quickly. Now, there is a chance that some of the thunderstorms coming out of Madison County and Huntsville could have some gusty winds, maybe penny-sized hail, maybe winds 40, 50 miles an hour. They start to move into Jackson, then later on DeKalb County. This is probably the most intense line anywhere in the area, but there's no warning on this yet. There may be a warning in Jackson and DeKalb County, but it's not going to be a tornado warning. More than likely, it's just going to be a severe thunderstorm warning, which is a lot better, but still you need to take care in that situation. But there's no warnings as of yet. Some really heavy rain still to the west of Chattanooga. This whole line is going to be moving on by, and then another line may move in after that. So we got lots of rain that's still moving through our area. From Birmingham on southward, you can see all that flashing there. Those are severe thunderstorm warnings too. And there's a tornado watch that goes up all the way to Montgomery and practically to the Georgia line. There's no watches anywhere in our area except flash flood watches. And we have a flood warning for Marion, Hamilton, and Bradley County because of the heavy rain that we've already seen. We're going to see a lot more heavy rain coming up through tonight also. Look at the satellite photos, a big swirl right here up into Kansas, moving into Missouri. And we're going to feel that swirl, especially on Friday as it slowly pushes our way. But again, the line of thunderstorms is just moving through Alabama and it's heading our way. So we're going to have a little more thunder and lightning coming up tonight. So if you want to go to bed early, you may get woken once again. 60 right now in the city. That's about as warm as it's been all day long. 59 in Cleveland, 57 Dalton, Dayton, 61 in Athens right now, 58 out near Murphy, 60 out near Fort Payne with light southeasterly winds. High again today was 60. 53 was the overnight low. About 4/10 of an inch of rain has fallen at the airport. Skywatchers told me, though, that we've had quite a bit of rain south of the city. 2.6 Somerville, almost 2 inches out near Lafayette. But Scottsboro, second day in a row, 3.6 inches of rain, unbelievable amounts. Nearly 5 inches of rain over the past 3 days up there. And then we had about 1.6 in Chatsworth, right across the metro area. These amounts very, very high. East Ridge and Ooltewah, over 2.5 inches of rain. Cleveland, 2 inches, almost 2 inches. Lakeside, Society, Daisy. Mowbray Mountains had about 2 inches. Red Bank, 1.5 inches. About 1.4 is Signal, 2.4 on your Trenton, 2 inches up on Lookout Mountain, and then about 2.4 near Ringgold. So this is not over with yet, folks. There's going to be more rain, probably at least another inch, maybe up to another 2 inches of rain in spots as these thunderstorms move on by. Now north and west of the city, we've only had about an inch out near Altamont, almost 3 though in Jasper, almost an inch from Dunlap to Pikeville, 1.6 Cagle Mountain, 1.5 inches Spring City, nearly 2 in Riceville, 1.6 up near Athens, almost 2 in Etowah, 2 inches in Delano, almost 2 in Turtletown, and Murphy's had about 1.1 so far, with about 1 inch up near Riceville, up in 10 Mile area. So VIPIRCAST again coming up at 3 o'clock in the morning, showing some more showers and storms. By 7 o'clock in the morning, it's pushing into the Blue Ridge Mountains. We start to see some breaks, so when you wake up in the morning, sun comes up. It could be a little patchy fog, but it looks like it's going to be pretty dry for a while. 11 o'clock in the morning, we'll have a nice southerly wind, and that's still going to be fairly mild. Then the clouds will be increasing throughout the evening hours, and around 5 o'clock or so. Could be a few sprinkles to the west of the city, and that could continue into the nighttime hours, but nothing accumulating, very, very light rain. By 7 o'clock in the morning on Friday, we'll see some more showers with lots of clouds, and the winds are really going to start to pick up too, coming out of the north by Friday afternoon into Friday night, and then tapering off on Saturday. Still a chance for a sprinkle Friday night out over North Georgia, but lots of sunshine coming back for Saturday. Again, another 1 to 2 inches of rain is possible around here before this is all over with. Tonight, 58 showers and thunderstorms, some heavy rain. Not impossible we get some severe weather, but if it happens, it'll probably be a severe thunderstorm warning and not a tornado warning with southerly winds. But we'll be with you all night long, so stay with Channel 3 tonight. 64 tomorrow, showers and storms will be ending. Southwesterly winds 15 to 20. And then for tomorrow night, 46, still breezy, westerly winds. And then we'll have a northerly wind coming up into Friday, still breezy, maybe cooler, 59. Good news is for the weekend. Temperatures back mid to upper 60s, lots of sunshine. Monday looks great, 69, lots of sunshine. Near 70 on Tuesday, a few more clouds. Some more clouds on Wednesday, but highs near 74 degrees. So again, we're not totally out of the woods yet on this, but the biggest threat for any type of really bad weather will be flooding. And that's already occurring in some places across the Tennessee Valley. And it's going to get a little bit worse through the overnight hours. So again, we'll be with you overnight. Alice and I are going to be here till about 2. And then David and Brittany are going to take over for the morning. And so we'll have someone here all through the nighttime. So if there's any warnings that come out, severe thunderstorm or tornado warnings, we'll let you know about them right here on Channel 3.
Paul, thanks.